Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Food Everywhere channel. Today, we will explore a dish that has become a culinary symbol around the world, beef jerky. Beef jerky is not only an attractive snack with a rich, spicy flavor, but also a rich source of nutrition, loved for many special occasions. From family parties, gatherings of friends to long-distance trips, beef jerky is always an indispensable choice. But have you ever wondered, to get delicious pieces of beef jerky, so attractive, what steps does the production process need to go through? Today, Food Everywhere will take you inside a factory specializing in the production of modern beef jerky. Join us to explore each step in the production process, to better understand the dedication and technology modernity behind every package of beef jerky you love. Let's experience and explore now. From the moment they enter the production area, all employees must strictly follow hygiene procedures. Employees are fully equipped with protective clothing, hats, and masks to prevent any bacteria and dust from entering the production process. We will wash our hands with antibacterial soap and clean water, and time to disinfect footwear to ensure there are no harmful agents that can affect product quality. These strict hygiene measures not only protect consumers' health, but also demonstrate the manufacturer's professionalism in maintaining the highest standards for beef jerky products. After completing the necessary cleaning steps, we invite you inside the production line to explore each stage of creation. Make delicious and quality dried beef pieces. After the beef has been preliminarily cleaned, a step that requires technique and ingenuity from the workers is the process of removing excess fat, tendons, and other impurities. This is an extremely important step to ensure the finished beef jerky is of excellent quality. Workers will use sharp knives, specially designed to perform this task. These knives must be sharp enough to accurately cut away fat and tendons without damaging the fresh meat. The sharpness of the knife, along with the technician's technique, will ensure that unwanted parts are completely removed. The process of removing fat and impurities requires high technique and dexterity on the part of the practitioner. Workers will have to identify each part of meat, determine exactly what parts need to be removed, and perform the operation with the most precision. Each cut needs to be done carefully to ensure that no impurities are left behind. After removing excess fat and impurities, only the freshest meat will be retained. Workers must ensure that each piece of meat meets aesthetic and quality standards. This is the decisive factor to ensure that the final beef jerky product will have great flavor and meet all food safety standards. This process requires meticulousness and care. Workers not only need to be technical, but also must have concentration and attention to small details. With just a little carelessness, the quality of dried beef will be affected. Therefore, every operation, every cut is performed with care and precision. The process of removing fat and impurities is an indispensable step to ensure that the final beef jerky product will meet standards. Highest standards of quality. Once the beef has gone through the stages of cleaning and removing excess fat, it will be put into an automatic technological line system for cutting and slicing. This system is not only modern but also carefully crafted to ensure that each piece of meat is cut evenly, maintaining quality and flavor. First, the beef is put on an automatic conveyor belt to cutting. Here, sharp blades, made from high-quality materials, will do their job. These blades are capable of cutting through beef with ease, creating thin slices of meat or small pieces of meat of uniform size. The slicing system is precisely adjusted. Parameters such as the thickness of the slice and the size of the piece of meat are all set based on the final product requirements. Each piece of beef is uniform in size and shape, ensuring uniformity during the process. Dried and marinated later. One of the highlights of this technology line is the sensors and automatic inspection system. With the support of automatic technology, the beef slicing process takes place at a fast speed and with high efficiency. This not only helps increase production productivity, but also ensures that beef is not affected by time, always maintaining its freshness and natural flavor. An important factor that cannot be ignored is hygiene and safety. Whole food. The automatic technology line system is designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. The entire slicing process takes place in a controlled environment, ensuring no contamination or impurities enter the beef. The process of slicing beef into thin slices or small pieces uniformly using a technological line Automation is not only an important step to ensure product quality, but also a testament to progress and modernity in the food industry. After the spices are ready, each batch of beef is put into a modern industrial mixer. This mixer is specially designed to process large amounts of beef at once, ensuring an efficient and uniform marinade. Factory staff will pour in the seasoning slowly and carefully, ensuring each piece of meat receives the same amount of seasoning. This is very important to ensure uniform flavor for the entire batch of meat. The mixer will start working, rotating and stirring the beef continuously so that the spices are evenly distributed. The mixing process takes place over a period of time. Certain period of time, usually 15 to 30 minutes. This helps the final dried beef have a uniform flavor. Each piece of meat is rich and delicious. During the mixing process, technical staff will regularly check to ensure the spices are evenly distributed, and no piece of meat is under or over-seasoned. Before starting to arrange the meat, the racks and drying trays will be carefully prepared. These racks are usually made from stainless materials and ensure food hygiene and safety. They are specially designed to hang each piece of meat scientifically, helping the drying process take place effectively. The marinated beef pieces will be carefully placed on each rack. Factory staff will ensure that each piece of meat is hung individually, without overlapping, so that air can circulate best during the drying process. This helps the beef dry evenly from all sides, without being damp or too dry in any part. When placing meat on the rack, it is important to ensure equal spacing between pieces of meat. Staff will carefully adjust the position of each piece of meat, making sure they do not touch each other. This not only helps with good air circulation, but also ensures that each piece of meat receives uniform temperature and humidity during the drying process. Once everything has been carefully prepared, the racks will be loaded into the industrial dryer. This drying oven is modernly designed, capable of accurately controlling temperature and humidity. The racks are neatly arranged in the oven, ensuring enough space for hot air to circulate evenly throughout the oven. During the drying process, temperature and humidity will be strictly controlled. Technical staff will continuously monitor the indicators and adjust if necessary to ensure the beef is evenly dried without burning or being too moist. This process usually lasts from a few hours to a full day, depending on the type of meat and the requirements of the final product. When the drying process is complete, the racks are removed from the oven. Staff will carefully inspect each piece of meat to ensure it achieves the desired dryness and perfect flavor. Meat pieces that meet standards will be transferred to the packaging stage, while pieces that do not pass will be reprocessed or discarded. After the beef has been completely dried, reaching the desired crispness and color, we will come to the final step of the process: cutting, packaging, and labeling the product. Let's follow every detail of this process. Once the beef has been dried to standards, each piece of meat will be transferred to the cutting department. Skilled workers will cut the dried beef into just enough pieces, suitable to the requirements of the final product. This process requires meticulousness and precision to ensure each piece of meat is uniform in size, providing a perfect experience for consumers. The pieces of meat are cut evenly, not too big or too small, ensuring aesthetics and ease of use. Next, the cut pieces of dried beef will be transferred to the packaging department. Here, they will be put into specialized vacuum-sealed packaging bags. This packaging process is carried out using modern machinery, ensuring that each bag is optimally vacuum-sealed. Vacuum helps remove air inside the bag, prolonging preservation time and keeping the product fresh, unaffected by moisture or bacteria from the outside environment. Finally, before leaving the factory, each dried beef packaging will be carefully labeled. The packaging label will include important information such as product name, ingredients, weight, instructions for use and storage. Labeling not only provides all necessary information to consumers, but also ensures product transparency and safety. The packaging label is designed to be eye-catching, easy to read and clear, helping consumers easily recognize and trust the product. So we have completed the journey of discovering the beef jerky production process from stage to stage. Cleaning, marinating, drying until cutting, packaging, and labeling. Each step is performed meticulously, accurately, and professionally, ensuring the creation of high-quality dried beef products that meet all consumer requirements. So together, we have explored the beef jerky production process at a large factory, where every diligent and meticulous step is taken to create delicious and quality jerky beef products. Through professional processing processes, from cleaning, slicing, marinating, and drying until the beef is packaged and widely distributed to consumers, each stage represents the utmost effort. The effort and passion of the employees here. We hope that through this video, you will have an interesting overview of the beef jerky production process. Don't forget to leave a comment your questions below the video so we can discuss more with you. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to not miss the latest videos from us. Thank you for watching and see you soon, next videos.